When we sleep, our bodies don't just rest, they repair. Muscles rebuild, tissues recover, the immune system strengthens, and the brain clears out toxins like a nighttime cleaning crew. But here's the catch: what you drink before bed can either support this healing process or make it harder for your body to do its job. Instead of late-night coffee, sodas, or alcohol, which can actually disrupt deep sleep, there are warm, soothing, and nutrient-packed drinks that can help your body relax, repair, and recharge overnight. Tonight, we're counting down 7 of the best bedtime drinks that promote relaxation, ease discomfort, and boost recovery, so you wake up feeling lighter, refreshed, and ready to take on the day. Chamomile tea. Chamomile has been a trusted bedtime classic for hundreds of years, and it's not just tradition, science backs it up. This gentle tea contains apigenin, an antioxidant that binds to receptors in the brain, reducing anxiety and helping you fall asleep faster. For older adults, chamomile has bonus benefits. It soothes indigestion, calms inflammation, and may even ease muscle or joint discomfort. A study in the Journal of Advanced Nursing found that older participants who drank chamomile daily slept better and felt less depressed. How to make it: steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried chamomile flowers or a tea bag in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Drink about 30 minutes before bed. For extra calm, add cinnamon or a splash of vanilla. Warm milk with honey. Warm milk has been a bedtime ritual for generations, and for good reason. It contains tryptophan, an amino acid the body uses to make serotonin and melatonin, 2 key hormones for regulating sleep. Adding honey helps tryptophan reach the brain more efficiently, boosting its sleep-promoting effects. Milk is also rich in calcium and magnesium, which support bone strength and muscle relaxation, especially helpful for older adults. How to make it: warm up a cup of dairy or fortified plant-based milk like oat or soy. Stir in a teaspoon of honey, and for extra comfort, sprinkle a little nutmeg, another natural sleep enhancer. Tart, cherry juice tart. Cherries are one of the best natural sources of melatonin. They're also packed with antioxidants called anthocyanins, which reduce inflammation, soothe sore muscles, and may ease arthritis pain. Studies show that people who drink tart cherry juice not only sleep longer but also experience better sleep quality. It may even reduce insomnia symptoms in older adults. How to use it: drink a small glass, about 1/2 to 1 cup an hour before bed. If it's too tangy, dilute with water or mix it with chamomile tea for a powerful bedtime combo. Golden milk turmeric latte. Golden milk, made with turmeric, milk, and spices, is an ancient Ayurvedic bedtime tonic. The star ingredient, turmeric, contains curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory that supports muscle repair, joint health, and even brain function. Here's the trick: curcumin isn't absorbed well on its own, but with a pinch of black pepper, absorption can increase by up to 2,000%. Add cinnamon and ginger for flavor and extra digestive benefits. How to make it: warm a cup of milk, dairy, or plant-based. Stir in 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, and a bit of fresh or powdered ginger. Simmer, then sweeten lightly with honey. Valerian root tea, often called nature's Valium. Valerian root increases levels of GABA, a calming brain chemical that helps slow down mental activity. This makes it easier to relax and fall asleep without the grogginess that comes with many sleep medications. It may also ease anxiety, reduce muscle tension, and calm nighttime restlessness. How to make it: steep 1 teaspoon of dried valerian root in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Because it has a strong taste, many people mix it with chamomile or lemon balm. Ginger tea. If you ever go to bed feeling heavy or bloated, ginger tea is your friend. Ginger supports digestion, reduces gas, and eases stomach discomfort so you can sleep more comfortably. Its anti-inflammatory compounds also help soothe arthritis, sore muscles, and stiffness. Plus, ginger boosts circulation, making it easier for your body to deliver oxygen and nutrients where they're needed most during nighttime repair. How to make it: simmer 4 to 5 thin slices of fresh ginger in a cup of water for 10 minutes. Strain, then add honey and lemon for extra flavor and immune support. Peppermint tea. Finally, our number 1 pick, peppermint tea. Naturally, caffeine-free peppermint relaxes the digestive tract, easing gas, bloating, and stomach cramps. Its cooling compound, menthol, also relieves mild pain and opens nasal passages, making it easier to breathe at night. The refreshing aroma alone can calm the mind. reduce stress, and set the stage for deep, restorative sleep. How to make it. Steep fresh peppermint leaves or a tea bag in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. For a bedtime twist, mix peppermint with chamomile for the ultimate calming blend. Bedtime isn't just about getting rest. It's when your body does its most important repair work. The right nighttime drink can relax your mind and body, reduce inflammation and pain, improve digestion, support better, deeper sleep. So skip the late-night caffeine and sugary drinks. Instead, try one of these healing bedtime tonics and give your body the support it needs to restore itself overnight. Which of these drinks will you try first? Or do you already have a bedtime ritual that works for you? Share in the comments, we'd love to hear your tips. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Sweet dreams and good health.